Some things take a long time. I've been growing this white runner bean, Dutch white, and this red runner bean, red rum, for over 20 years. And I've grown them and grown them and grown them, and I figured that maybe one day they would cross, but they never produced pink ones. And last year they produced a pink bean, and now I have lots of pink runner beans, or scarlet runner beans as we call them, or in Britain we call them kidney beans. That's the size of the bean. They're very prolific, and those beans are about 3 days old, and they're in prime condition for picking. You can pull all of these off. That's the size you pick them. You might leave those on. They're tender when they're this size, and they have a very sweet asparagus-y flavor, much better than the French beans. Look at them. But it took 20 years to get the white one to cross with the red one. And guess what did a lot of the crossing? Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds love these. They love the red one in particular, but they'll feed on the whites. And by repeated crossing, we finally had one plant after 20 years that was pink. And now the red and the white, and I have a pink runner bean. It takes a long time sometimes. Don't ever give up. Keep trying.